Tindzaba on Lokuhle FM.
Violent protests have rocked Lokuhle, Soweto, claiming 2 lives and blocking major roads. Hostile residents demanding water, sanitation and housing sealed the Lokuhle interchange, burning tires and looting trucks. One protester died after a truck fleeing the chaos struck him. Another was killed in the unrest. Police clashed with demonstrators who claimed their homes were demolished. The Johannesburg Metro Police reported severe traffic disruptions on the N1 and N12, urging drivers to avoid the area. City officials held talks with community leaders to address demands, but protests continue, with residents vowing to persist until Gauteng authorities act. More details to follow.